Apollo flight controllers, listen up. Give me a go, no-go for launch. Booster.
Go.
Retro.
Go.
Fido.
We're go flight.
Guidance.
Guidance go.
Surgeon.
Go flight.
Ecom.
We're go flight.
GNC.
We're go.
Telmuse.
Go.
Control.
Go flight.
Procedures.
Go.
Inco.
Go.
FAO.
We are go.
Network.
Go.
Recovery.
Go.
Capcom.
We're go flight.
Launch control, this is Houston. We are go for launch.
Approaching the 60-second mark on the Apollo 11 mission. T-minus 60 seconds and counting. We passed T-minus 60. 55 seconds and counting. Neil Armstrong just reported back. It's been a real smooth countdown. We passed the 50-second mark. Power transfer is complete. We're on internal power with the launch vehicle at this time. 40 seconds away from the Apollo 11 liftoff. All the second stage tanks now pressurized. 35 seconds and counting. We are still go with Apollo 11. 30 seconds and counting. Astronauts report it feels good. T-minus 25 seconds. 20 seconds and counting. T-minus 15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence starts. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11. Tower clear.
Okay, we got a roll program.
Neil Armstrong reporting the roll and pitch program, which puts Apollo 11 on a proper heading. Plus 30 seconds. Altitude's 2 miles.
Apollo 11 Houston, you're good at 1 minute.
Staging status booster. Go. Fido, go. Guidance, go. Good for staging, Captain.
11, this is Houston. You are go for staging. Over. Stand go for staging. Inboard cutoff.
Inboard engines out.
I'm inboard cutoff.
How you econ?
For go flight.
GNC? We're go flight. Roger. 10, 9er, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Cutoff.
Houston, we've got good separation.
11 Houston, thrust is go. All engines, you're looking good. Hi, Roger. You're loud and clear, Houston. We got skirt step. Roger, we confirm skirt step. tower's gone. Roger, tower.
Yeah, he finally gave me a window to look at.
Houston, be advised the visual is go today. This is Houston, roger that.
Let me know when it converges, guys. Right. Looks good, flank converge. Steering converge, Captain.
11 Houston, your guidance is converged. You're looking good.
Hi, you booster. We're go flight. GMC, we're go flight. Sergeant, go flight. We're good at 4 minutes, Captain.
11 Houston, you are go at 4 minutes.
Roger. Guidance flight, how you? We're in great shape, flight, go.
Flight Fido.
Yep.
All projected sources agree, we're go.
Roger. Booster flight. A flight? Oh, look okay. That's a firm flight. Look at that. Econ flight, how you? Looking good, flight. Good at 5 minutes, Captain.
11 Houston, you are go at 5 minutes. Roger, you're Apollo 11, go.
Stand by for S4B to COI capability.
By to S4B to COI capability.
Mark.
Okay. Mark, S4B to COI capability. Cut off. Ignition. Shut down. 1.4 by 103.6. Roger, shut down, and we copy 101.4 by 103.6. Apollo 11, this is Houston. You are go for TLI, over. We confirm ignition and the thrust is go. Apollo 11, this is Houston. Around 3.5 minutes. You're still looking good. Your predicted cutoff is right on the nominal. Apollo 11, this is Houston. We show cutoff and we copy the numbers in noun 62. Apollo 11, this is Houston. Your go for separation. Our system's recommendation is arm both pyro buses, over. Okay, Pyro B coming armed. My intent is to use bottle primary one as per the checklist, therefore I just turned daily. Roger, we concur with the logic.
Testing. Yep. Set complete. Okay, got 0.7 of the stuff there. Okay, release. That'll be indicator minus 100.8. Okay. RPS performance. Verify 8 upgrade. Okay, you got problems there. Get the There you go. I get them. Okay. What up? Let's see. And primary and secondary propellant B went Barber Polo at 7. You see? No, I don't see. He's a little bit to our right. I see. We need about a 5-degree right. We need to stop our... Okay, what's that here? That's pretty far away. Okay, watch this. We should be stopping here. Yeah, it looks like he's drifting down. Stay close to me. Stand by, we're close.
Houston, we copy.
And Houston, you might be interested to doubt my
Left-hand window right now, I can observe the entire continent of North America, Alaska, over the pole, down to the Yucatan Peninsula, Cuba, northern part of South America, and then I run out of windows.
Roger, we copy.
Houston, we are set. We have a cryo press line.
Roger, copy, cryo press line.
Roger, O2 heaters are on, and we're going to cycle the O2 fans now.
Okay, good evening, America, and welcome aboard Apollo. I'm Jim Lovell, and we're broadcasting to you tonight from an altitude of almost 200,000 miles away from the face of the Earth, and we have a pretty good show in store for you tonight. Okay, one of the first things we'd like to do is provide you with the appropriate background music. So, hit it there, Fredo. was a pretty successful broadcast.
That's an excellent show, Oscar.
Thank you very much, Houston.
We got a couple of housekeeping procedures for you. We'd like you to roll right to 060 and know your rates.
Roger that. Rolling right. 060.
And then if you could give your oxygen tanks a stir.
Roger that.
This is Apollo Control at 75 hours 26 minutes. We're 15 minutes away from loss of signal. Apollo 11 is 966 miles from the moon. Velocity 6,511 feet per second. We're 23 minutes away from the LOI burn.
Okay, status check, go, no go for LOI. Retro. We're go flight all the way. Green light. Fido. We're go flight. Jack. We're go with no attitude. Retro. Telcom. GNC. We're go with the one reminder remaining flight on the jet select. You got that, Capcom? Negative. Tell him what it is, GNC. BD roll? Raj, he's got BD roll disabled. Would like to enable it. Just a reminder sometime time burn. That's the other RCS. Confirm. Okay, you want to go green, GNC? Decom, and you go. Resurgent. OC. AFD. FAO. Go. Green light. Network. Recovery, I guess you're go. Right. I think we have come, bud. Okay, Capcom, give me a green light. We'll go for LOI. Roger. Roger, go ahead, Houston. Apollo 11. 11, this is Houston. You are go for LOI, over. Roger, go for LOI. Apollo 11, this is Houston. All your systems are looking good going around the corner. We'll see you on the other side, over. Roger. Everything looks okay up here. Roger, out. And we've had loss of signal as Apollo 11 goes behind the moon. We were showing a distance to the moon of 309 nautical miles at LOS, velocity 7,664 feet per second. Weight was 96,012 pounds. We're 7 minutes, 45 seconds away from the LOI for one burn, which will take place behind the moon, out of communications. Here in the control center, two members of the backup crew, Bill Anders, Jim Lovell, have joined Bruce McCandless at the Capcom console. Now Fred Hayes, the third member of the backup crew, has just come in too, and Deke Slayton, director of flight crew operations, is at that console. The viewing room is up. Among those we've noticed on the front row in the viewing room are astronauts Tom Stafford, John Glenn, Gene Cernan, Dave Scott, Al Worden, and Jack Swigert. With a good lunar orbit insertion burn, the Madrid station should acquire Apollo 11 at 76 hours, 15 minutes, 29 seconds. Acquisition time for no burn, 76 hours, 5 minutes, 30 seconds.